Green chili chicken enchiladas, inspired by 1987 corned beef enchiladas. Let's try it. Here we go. Wow. I didn't add any salt, and I don't think it needs it. Come on now. Just been cooling down. Let's take another bite here. Get some chicken. That's good. Oh, I like that. The pico de gallo, this is homemade. It didn't taste, I didn't think it tasted good with the corned beef, but this tastes really good. So, let's just take some guac and with the chicken. 4 chicken thighs came out to around 9 ounces of shredded chicken. And I have a little left over. It makes about 4 or 5. It makes about 5 enchiladas. I have a little filling left in the fridge. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm happy. Oh, hey! I forgot something! Cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking. I don't have any clean glasses, so we're just gonna use our kids' IKEA. Come on. Hey! Cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking. It would have looked nice with a little red streaks of enchilada sauce, but this is delicious. Hey, thanks for joining me this Saturday. You know what I'm going to say? Cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking. Oh.